Let's talk about aluminum, a metal so common in our lives that we often overlook its presence, yet so essential that modern society would be unrecognizable without it. Think about your day so far, the metal you probably touched today without even realizing it was aluminum. It's everywhere, woven seamlessly into the fabric of our routines. It's in your soda can, keeping your drink cold and fresh, and in millions of other cans opened every single day around the world. It's the foil in your kitchen, helping you cook, store, and preserve food, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. And even in your car, aluminum makes vehicles lighter, safer, and more fuel efficient. Whether you're driving a family sedan or the latest electric car, but aluminum doesn't just appear out of thin air, its story begins deep in the earth as bauxite, a reddish-brown rock that's surprisingly unremarkable at first glance. Transforming bauxite into pure, shiny aluminum is a feat of engineering. It involves giant machines, intense heat, and a complex process that pushes the limits of human ingenuity and technology. Aluminum is lightweight, strong, and doesn't rust, making it incredibly versatile. It's in our electronics, from the sleek casing of your smartphone to the frame of your laptop. It's in airplanes, trains, and skyscrapers, silently supporting the infrastructure of modern life. Imagine a world without aluminum. No airplanes soaring overhead, no high-speed trains, no energy-efficient cars, and no modern skyscrapers. Our world would function very differently, and many of the conveniences we take for granted would simply not exist. Next time you recycle a soda can, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get to you, and the fact that aluminum can be recycled endlessly without losing quality, making it one of the most sustainable materials on the planet. Aluminum's story is one of human ingenuity, turning a common rock into a modern miracle. It's a transformation that requires vision, determination, and a deep understanding of science and engineering. This process requires not just energy, but also the dedication of smart, hard-working people willing to get their hands dirty. Engineers, miners, factory workers, and innovators all play a part. We'll explore every step, from the dusty mines where bauxite is unearthed, to the fiery furnaces where it's transformed, and finally to the factories where it's shaped into the products we use every day. Along the way, we'll reveal how aluminum shapes our world, enabling new designs, new technologies, and new ways of living. It's a dirty job, often done far from the spotlight, but the result is nothing short of remarkable. A metal that touches nearly every aspect of our lives. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of aluminum, exploring the science, the people, and the stories behind this everyday miracle. From the ground to your hands, aluminum's journey is a testament to human creativity and perseverance. A story worth understanding and celebrating. Aluminum is more than just a metal. It's a symbol of progress, a testament to human innovation, and a key ingredient in building a better future. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this everyday miracle, and discover why aluminum truly is the metal we can't live without. Before the world knew aluminum, there was bauxite, a humble reddish rock that quietly holds the secret to one of the most important metals of our age. Bauxite is the primary source of aluminum, and without it, many of the conveniences and technologies we take for granted simply wouldn't exist. At first glance, bauxite doesn't look like much. It's rough, unremarkable, and often overlooked. But hidden within its coarse surface is a story of discovery, innovation, and transformation. The rock gets its name from Les Baux, a small village in southern France. It was here in the early 19th century that geologists first identified this unique ore, forever linking the region to the birth of the aluminum industry. For decades, scientists and inventors puzzled over how to extract pure aluminum from bauxite. The process was complex and expensive, making aluminum a rare and precious commodity. In fact, aluminum was once considered more valuable than gold. It was displayed alongside the crown jewels and reserved for royalty and the elite. Napoleon III of France famously commissioned a set of aluminum cutlery for his most honored guests, while others had to settle for gold or silver. Everything changed in 1886, when Charles Hall and Paul Héroult independently discovered a revolutionary method, the Hall-Héroult process. This breakthrough used electricity to separate aluminum from its ore, making production faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Suddenly, aluminum was no longer a luxury. It became affordable and accessible, sparking a revolution in manufacturing, transportation, and everyday life. Airplanes, cars, and even kitchen foil became possible thanks to this lightweight, versatile metal. Today, bauxite mining is a massive global operation. Vast open-pit mines stretch across continents from Australia to Guinea, supplying the world's ever-growing demand for aluminum. Miners use powerful machines to dig up this reddish rock, marking the very first step in aluminum's incredible journey from earth to industry. It's a tough, dirty job. Miners often return home covered in red dust, a testament to the hard work and determination that fuels the aluminum supply chain. From the dusty mines to high-tech processing plants, transforming bauxite into aluminum is a tale of human ingenuity, relentless effort, and technological progress. This once overlooked rock now holds the key to countless modern conveniences. Everything from soda cans and smartphones to airplanes and skyscrapers owes its existence to bauxite. So let's take a closer look at how bauxite, the unassuming rock, is transformed into the shiny, indispensable metal we rely on every day. Once bauxite is mined, it begins a long journey to refineries. Transporting millions of tons of rock is a logistical challenge. Trucks, conveyor belts, trains, and ships move bauxite globally. Safety and efficiency are crucial in this massive operation. This transportation phase links mines to refineries. Without it, the production chain would halt. It's a testament to modern logistics and hard work. The journey sets the stage for transforming rock into aluminum. Let's follow bauxite as it travels to become something extraordinary. At the heart of every aluminum refinery, a remarkable transformation takes place. Here, bauxite ore, which is rich in aluminum but mixed with many impurities, begins its journey through the Bayer process, a method that has revolutionized aluminum production for over a century. The primary goal is to separate valuable aluminum oxide from the unwanted materials. This is no simple task, as bauxite contains a complex mix of minerals, iron oxides, and other compounds that must be carefully removed to obtain pure alumina. The process begins by crushing the bauxite and mixing it with caustic soda in massive, high-pressure tanks. Under intense heat and pressure, the caustic soda reacts with the aluminum compounds, dissolving them into a solution while leaving behind the stubborn impurities. What remains is a thick red sludge known as red mud, a byproduct that must be carefully managed due to its environmental impact. This waste is separated out, allowing the valuable solution to move forward in the process. Through gravity separation, the liquid containing dissolved aluminum is drawn off, leaving the red mud behind. This step is crucial for ensuring that only the purest solution continues on its journey. Next, the solution enters large precipitation tanks. Here, aluminum hydroxide begins to crystallize out, forming solid particles as the solution cools and reacts with added seed crystals. This crystallization process is deliberately slow and carefully controlled. The goal is to grow crystals of just the right size and purity, which is essential for the next stage of refining. Once the crystals are ready, they are transferred to a rotary kiln or calcination furnace. Here, intense heat drives off any remaining water, transforming the aluminum hydroxide into pure white alumina powder. This fine white powder is the end result of the Bayer process. It's now ready to be shipped to smelters, where it will be turned into the aluminum metal we use every day. The transformation from red mud to white powder is a testament to the power of chemistry and engineering. It's a dramatic change, both in color and in value. Developed in the late 19th century, the Bayer process remains the industry standard, enabling mass production of aluminum and shaping modern industry. This step is absolutely crucial. Without it, the journey from raw bauxite to finished aluminum products would not be possible. Now, with pure alumina in hand, the next phase begins: smelting. This is where the white powder is transformed into the shiny, versatile metal that powers our world. The journey from raw bauxite rock to refined alumina powder is just the beginning of aluminum's incredible story. Let's follow this transformation as it continues toward becoming the metal we rely on every day. Now we have alumina, but it's not yet aluminum. Smelting, using the Hall-Héroult process, breaks alumina's bonds. This requires immense electricity, often from hydroelectric sources. In smelters, alumina dissolves in molten cryolite. Electricity separates aluminum from oxygen, forming molten metal. This process runs continuously, producing pure aluminum. Workers siphon molten aluminum, transferring it to holding furnaces. The smelting process is precise and dangerous. It's a hot, challenging job, but it yields liquid aluminum. From alumina to metal, it's a transformation of raw power. Let's explore how this liquid metal becomes solid and useful. Smelting is a key step in aluminum's incredible journey. Molten aluminum is transported to holding furnaces. Here, it's mixed with other metals to create specific alloys. Quality control ensures alloys meet exact specifications. Once approved, the metal is cast into ingots or billets. Direct chill casting cools aluminum rapidly, forming solid blocks. These ingots are inspected for imperfections before moving on. Casting is a critical step in shaping aluminum for use. Workers handle liquid metal with precision and care. From liquid to solid, aluminum takes its first form. Let's see how these ingots become the products we use. Casting is where aluminum's potential begins to take shape. Aluminum ingots are transformed into useful products. Hot rolling mills shape them into plates and sheets. Cold rolling refines them into thinner forms like foil. Extrusion creates complex shapes for various applications. Aluminum is drawn into wires or forged into strong parts. Each method tailors aluminum to specific needs. From blocks to components, aluminum is versatile. It's a process of precision and engineering. Let's explore how aluminum takes its final form. Shaping aluminum is where its versatility shines. The metal's journey continues as it becomes part of our world. Aluminum is more than cans and foil. It's essential in aerospace, reducing weight for flight. Rockets and spacecraft rely on aluminum's strength. Aluminum powder creates bright fireworks and sparklers. It's used in mirrors and telescopes for high reflectivity. Aluminum transmits electricity in power lines. It's in car engines, heat sinks, and even antacids. This metal's versatility is unmatched. From the sky to everyday life, aluminum is everywhere. Let's uncover aluminum's surprising roles. It's a metal with a diverse and essential resume. Aluminum's story is one of innovation and utility. Aluminum's journey from rock to metal is remarkable. It's a story of power, precision, and human ingenuity. Aluminum is cast, rolled, and shaped for countless uses. It's in planes, buildings, and everyday items. Recycling aluminum saves energy and resources. The metal can be reused endlessly without losing quality. Aluminum is a sustainable material for the future. It's a silent partner in our daily lives. From mines to products, aluminum's journey is epic. It's a miracle of modern industry born from a simple rock. Let's appreciate aluminum's role in shaping our world. This hard-working metal is here to stay. Aluminum's story is one of endless potential and innovation.